Chapter 3: Metals and Non-Metals. Question 1. Give an example of a metal which first is a liquid at room temperature, second can be easily cut with a knife, third is the best conductor of heat, fourth is a poor conductor of heat. Answer. Answer. First question answered. Metal that exist in liquid state at room temperature, mercury. Second, metal that can be easily cut with a knife, sodium. Metal that is the best conductor of heat, silver. Metals that are poor conductors of heat, mercury and lead. Question Question 2. Explain the meanings of malleable and ductile. Answer. Malleable substances that can be beaten into thin sheets are called malleable. For example, most of the metal are malleable. Ductile substances that can be drawn into thin wires are called ductile. For example, most of the metals are ductile. Question 3. Why is sodium kept immersed in kerosene oil? Answer. Sodium and potassium are very reactive metals and combine explosively with air as well as water, hence they catch fire if kept in open. Therefore, to prevent accidental fires and accidents, sodium is stored in kerosene oil. Question 4. Write equations for the reactions of iron with steam, calcium and potassium with water. Answer. 3 FeS plus 4 H2OG arrow Fe3O4 plus 4 H2G Fe iron H2O steam Fe3O4 iron second third oxide 4H2 hydrogen second Ca calcium plus water H2H2O water arrow CaOH twice calcium hydroxide plus H2 hydrogen gas plus heat 2K yes calcium or potassium plus 2H2O L water arrow 2KOH AQ calcium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide plus H2G hydrogen plus heat. Question 3. Samples of four metals A, B, C, and D were taken and added to the following solution one by one. The results obtained have been tabulated as follows: metal, iron, second sulfate, copper, second copper, second sulfate, zinc sulfate, silver nitrate. Is wrong. Spelling wrong. A. No reaction, displacement. B. Displacement, no reaction. C. No reaction, no reaction, no reaction, displacement. D. No reaction, no reaction, no reaction, no reaction. Use the table above to answer the following question about metals A, B, C, and D. First, which is the most reactive metal? What would you observe if B is added to a solution of copper second sulfate? Third, arrange the metals A, B, C, and D in the order of decreasing reactivity. Answer. Explanation. A plus FeSO4 arrow no reaction, i.e. A is less reactive than iron. A plus CuSO4 arrow displacement, i.e. A is more reactive than copper. B plus FeSO4 arrow displacement, i.e. B is more reactive than iron. B plus ZnSO4 arrow no reaction, i.e. B is less reactive than zinc. C plus FeSO4 arrow no reaction, i.e. C is less reactive than iron. C plus CuSO4 arrow no reaction, i.e. C is less reactive than copper. C plus ZnSO4 arrow no reaction, i.e. C is less reactive than zinc. C plus AgNO3 arrow displacement, i.e. C is more reactive than silver. D plus FeSO4 CuSO4 ZnSO4 AgNO3 arrow no reaction, i.e. D is less reactive than iron, copper, zinc, and silver. From the above equation be obtained Zn, B, Fe, A, Cu, C, Ag, D. Most reactivity series least reactivity. Least reactive. First, B is the most reactive metal. Second, if B is added to a solution of copper second sulfate, then it would displace copper. B plus CuSO4 arrow displacement. Third, the arrangement of the metal in the order of decreasing reactivity is B, A, C, D. Like, share, comment, review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now this channel.